Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss part 3 of this chapter. Already we have discussed part 1 and part 2. In that, we have discussed about few types of changes. Now we are going to discuss some more changes, and in this PowerPoint we will discuss about periodic changes, non-periodic changes, slow changes, fast changes, and we'll do some assignment. Okay, so what is periodic change? In very simple thing, we can say that the change which repeats themselves at regular interval of time is known as periodic changes. Regular interval of time means most of the time they are repeating themselves at a fixed interval, fixed gap. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल डे एंड नाइट, जो दिन और रात होती है ये फिक्स होता है। 24 आवर्स में आप कह सकते हैं कि 12 आवर और 12 आवर पे ये रिपीटिशन होता है। तो कंप्लीट डे और कंप्लीट नाइट का ड्यूरेशन अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन हम उसमें इवनिंग का कुछ टाइम देखते हैं, कुछ अर्ली मॉर्निंग का टाइम देखते हैं, बट देयर इज़ रेगुलर इंटरवल। नाउ अनदर एग्जांपल इज phases of moon. We can see that sometime we are getting full moon, sometime it is appearing like half, then sometime it is totally disappeared. So these are phases of moon. And heartbeat, see, we can see by pictures examples of periodic changes. See here, day and night, phases of moon, these all are example of periodic changes. Clock striking an hour. See, we are seeing that this second needle, it is taking 1 minute to complete one round. This another needle of this clock, you can see that it is taking 1 hour to complete one round, but again and again this is showing regular repetition at particular interval. This heartbeat, we are having a rhythmic beating in our heart. So this is again example of periodic change. Another example is change in the season. Some see by picture we can see, one picture it is autumn season, one picture it is like very hot, and another season you can see that it is frozen, means it is winter season. Somewhere it is flooded, means it is full of rain, means it is this current season what we are observing is rainy season. So this is a periodic change. Now we will discuss about non-periodic changes. This is just opposite to the periodic change. These changes does not occur at regular interval of time. Examples are eruption of volcanoes, earthquakes, forest fire, etc. These are example of non-periodic changes. Now we will see one by one. Volcanoes, we are seeing that sometime there is eruption of volcanoes, and these are not very fixed. It may occur and it may not occur. That's why there is no regularity. That's why this is example of irregular change. Earthquakes are also not regular. It may occur. This is natural calamity. So these are the example of non-periodic changes. Again, forest fire, this is again accidental. This is not happening at regular interval of time. So recently we saw that there was forest in Australia desert, forest, and then it was very deadly to all living organism, and anyhow they managed to control it. But this again example of non-periodic changes. Now we will see another type of change, slow change. Later we will see fast changes. So first we are going to discuss about slow changes. So these are the kind of changes that will happen over a period of time slowly, means these changes will be there, but it will take time. It will uh, it is very difficult to observe these changes, but if we give some time we can observe it. But on regular basis observing the slow changes is very difficult. We'll feel that there is no change. Suddenly we are after 2-3 years or after 2-3 months we are able to find the difference, that yes, previous things was this and now this is the change in that. So for example, we can see growth of our body. When we were born, we were very small in size, our height was very less. Now gradually we are increasing in our height. So this is again example of change, but daily we can't see that our body is growing. Can you see that? I hope you can observe that your height is increasing by seeing your pictures, your photographs of your young age, and now you can compare with your current height with when you were a baby at 2 years of age, 1 year of age. So definitely you can see that there was change, and this is again example of slow changes. Now we will discuss about fast changes. So as name suggests, these changes occur sooner. It occurs very fast, and many examples are there, like a batter turning into puddings, and it takes very less time. Another example, like we are bursting crackers on Diwali. So as soon as you are putting fire on crackers, it takes seconds, 2-3 seconds, and it bursts. So you can say that these are the example of very fast changes. See here crackers. So I know आपको बड़ा मज़ा आता है क्रैकर्स जलाने में, but we need to take care of our environment. So that's why, but just for giving example I am giving you that these are the example of fast changes. So in this way we can say that, so some changes are very quick, so they are known as fast changes. Some changes are very slow, it is very difficult to observe them on regular basis, so these are example of slow changes. So in this way we can see that we studied that these are the slow changes, these are the fast changes, and these are the regular some changes occurs at regular interval of time. These are known as periodical changes. Some are not in regular mode, so they are known as non-periodic changes. So in this we have covered. So now we will talk about few assignments. What you have to do is you have to make the notes, and you have to add more examples of slow and fast changes, periodic and non-periodic changes in your notebook, and that keywords are given at the end of your chapter. So you have to see that and try to define those keywords, and you have to write down the summary of the chapter, and it is given again in your notebook. So these are few resources from where I have collected the material. You can go through by typing in Google, or you just copy paste it in Google, and you will be able to get more and more resources regarding your study. So thank you, have a nice day, stay home and stay safe.